good morning and welcome to this week's session. This week we're having mathematics again. So last week we took about written multiplication, and this week we're going to be doing what? Let's figure it out. Our warm-up activity today is solving this right here. So let's try solving it. Okay, so our answer here is 3. Hope your answer was the same. Written division. Our goal today is to divide 2 and 3-digit numbers without remainder using long division method. Wolf identified the different parts of a division problem, divide 2-digit number by 1-digit number, and analyze and solve the word problem involving division. Our keywords today are divide, remainder, quotient, divisor, and dividend. So divide is our process, remainder is like the carryover or what remains with us, and quotient, divisor, and dividend are going to be what we're doing today. So the word of the day is quotient, which is the answer of two divided numbers. Starter, presentation, part parts of the division. So here are the parts of the division. Mm, so let's do it right. Here, this number, which is the biggest, right here, is called the dividend. Also put in here is the dividend. This two is the divisor, which is the number divided by the other number. Divisor. Next, there we're having the quotient, which is the answer as I said, and here is the answer up there. And lastly, we have the remainder, which also could be written down here in the long division method. So let's proceed to our next slide. Quotient, divisor, and dividend. Please repeat them with me. Quotient, quotient, divisor, divisor, dividend, dividend. Great job. And don't forget the remainder. Quotients. So you'll be identifying what is the quotient, what's the dividend, and what's the divisor. So here, 2 is what? Great, 2 is the quotient. So here 2 is the quotient. Next up, 22. Let's go back to our previous slide. We said here the biggest number is the dividend. So the dividend here is 22. Great. Here, this one. 4. 4 is what? Divisor. Great job. Next, 27 here is what? Okay, it's our dividend. We will check afterwards. 8 is our divisor. Okay, and 7 is our quotient. So let's get back to our previous slide to see if our answers are correct. Dividend, divisor, and quotient. Excellent all. So Mr. Ahmed bought a 572 Jaf tree or sham tree for his rectangular farm. Jaf tree is the national tree of UAE. If he wants to have 4 rows of with the same number of Jaf tree, how many Jaf tree are there in each row? Please, before you answer this, there is something called ruksa. Rucksack is a process. So let us see what is that process for a division. First of all, R stands for read. Read the question. U stands for understand and underline the important keywords. Number 3 is C, which stands for choose. Choose the method of calculating multiplication, addition, subtraction, or division. Number 4 is to solve, which S stands for solve. Number 5 is answer, to answer the question. And last is to check if the answer was correct or not. So let's do as we already read. Let us underline the important things right now. So, what is the first important thing here? 4 rows, same each are the 3 here. So, number 3 is to choose which method. I think today we're taking division, so it's obvious that it's division. We're going to be using this method right here. Solve, so let's solve it. What do we need to do? Let's read it again. We could put here read again before after choose. Sir Ahmed bought a 572 draft tree or Shami tree for his rectangular farm. Draft tree is the national tree of UAE. If he wants to have 4 rows with the same number of draft tree, how many draft trees are there in each row? So please proceed your answer and come back when you're done. Okay, our answer here is 143. What did we divide? We divided 572 by 4. And this is our answer. If your answer is the same, please add a tick mark beside it. Solution. So you'll need to solve. This is how we did it. First of all, we'll divide, then multiply, and then subtract, and then bring down. And we'll keep doing the same. After we bring down, we'll divide again. So this is how we did it as long multiplication. Long division, sorry. 4 by 5. 4 divided by 5 is 20. Excellent. 20. How did we get 20? How did we get 20? Okay, so you'll have to solve it and check your answer. If it's the same, 143. Okay, so here we'll have be doing this, dividing, multiplying, subtracting, and bringing down, and then repeating again. So let's do this one right up here. Pause the video and then unpause. By the way, there's going to be a minute for you to solve it. Okay, so the answer here is 63. Let's proceed to our next slide. Try these. What is the quotient when you divide 68 by 8? What is the answer? Quotient is the answer. I don't need any remainder. Okay, so the quotient here will be 8. Okay. So next, what is the remainder when you divide? Okay. And the last one, take screenshots so you can be able to do it yourself. Next slide. Our exit tickets. The question is, what is the quotient when you divide 368 by 7? And I'll please need your answer here. So the answer here is 58. Isn't that your answer? Let us do it again. So multiply carefully, please. Ah, your answer changed now. Your answer now is 52. So that's why you have to concentrate at especially division. Multiplication might be easier than division. So please concentrate. And if you have any doubt, comment it down below. Your doubt can be answered by any of our teachers or answered in a video. So thank you. That's it for this week's lesson. Uh, don't forget to attend the live on Thursday to be playing some games and checking your education about what we took about mathematics last couple of weeks. So, bye and have a great day.